Hello, Shadow. Hello, pretty girl. Oh. Tick, 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 tickies, chicks. Tick, 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 ticks. Hey, Shadow. Well, good morning. Welcome to, I think it's day 9. I'm getting lost now. Day 9 of the reverse diet. Today is my second high calorie day for the first week of the diet. The very first 2 days of the reverse diet was a refeed, and then I had 5 days of my cutting macros, and now I'm having 2 days of higher calories. So I did 1,300 calories from Monday through Friday, and now I am doing 1,500 yesterday and today. I think that's it. To average out to be 1,350 because I'm raising my calories 50 for each day of this week. I think that's right. If you guys missed all the videos talking about what a reverse is, I'm going to link the playlist at the end of this video, but you can also go up onto the bar at the top and click on playlist, find the playlist for the reverse, and you can find out all the information about what it is that I am doing, what a reverse diet is, and all of that. So today is supposed to be 97 degrees, and I was really thinking that according to the news, it was going to be warm all week, and I was going to be able to get into the pool every single day this week, and I was so ecstatic. But then this morning when I checked, today is supposed to be the only warm day. Tomorrow might be warm, and then by Tuesday it's going to be a high of 52 degrees with a low of 36. Yeah. So I am out here enjoying the summer. I was just getting eggs under here. I have got this little sunflower thing going on. It has become quite the forest. It started out as one little tiny sunflower plant thing in a box down here. Let me show you this little box, and it has grown into a full-on, like, actual forest. You can see they're getting wilty. It is coming to the end of the season. It's like it's coming to the end of the season, everything summer. So I just had Dave film me in my swimsuit for you guys, because I thought if I'm going to get in the pool for Keto Chaos, I'm going to show you kind of where I'm at. This suit is still a little big on the legs. I have a hard time keeping everything, from hanging out, so I hope that it wasn't too bad. But I just thought, since this is pretty much my last chance to show you guys my summer bod, I'm sure that I probably will be bigger by next summer. I don't know, like with the reverse, the idea is to get your calories up, and you're probably going to put some weight on in the process. And anyway, look at this pool, guys. This is my pool. If you haven't seen it before on my other channel, it is a Coleman 52-inch deep, let's see, a 26-footer pool. We bought it last winter. Well, actually, my mother-in-law bought it last winter for my kids. And I have like coat rack where I hang my stuff. We bought it last winter. My mother-in-law bought it last winter for the kids as their Christmas gift. We found it on sale in the fall, so right about now actually. So if you guys are looking for a pool, I don't know about COVID year if it's going to be the same, but at this time of year last year, Walmart had all their pools like on clearance, and we went to multiple Walmarts and found the best deal. And I told Dave to buy a 22-foot pool, but he came home with a 26-foot pool, and at first I was like, you are nuts. But now I don't think he's that crazy. You know what? I just stripped down and I realized I don't have my Bang soda. I gotta go get that. Oh yeah. I'm kind of nervous to get in because it's been really freezing cold all week. So I'm kind of afraid. I wonder if I can see what the temperature is before I get in. I think this is actually the temperature thing right here. Oh, that's not bad at all. Maybe a degree lower than what I'm used to. Woo! It's not too bad, so I think I'll be all right to get in. Water's looking blue, but Definitely looks like there's more bugs on top than I like. Oh, got the net. I'm getting in, I promise. I've been doing this like every single morning for a while. If you've been watching my other channel, you've seen me get in here a lot. Every morning to do exercise. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So this will be today's exercise day. I will be doing legs. I could probably do some squats in here. We'll definitely do some steps, walking and walking backward. So yeah, oh, it feels cold. It's been a while since I've been in. Just have to tell myself it's not as cold as I think it is. It's not that cold, it's not that cold. Oh, it's pretty cold. Ooh, there's lots of stuff under it. Oh gosh, okay, I can do this, I am brave. I have a net, nothing but net, right? Oh, where's the net? Okay, this is getting embarrassing. Let me get situated and then I'll talk to you. Oh, that's my swimsuit. I'm okay. I'm okay. Guess I'm getting an arm workout in after all. This actually is working this muscle right here pretty good, so keep doing it for a minute. I'll catch you guys in a little while though. 15 minutes of that worked my arms pretty good. So funny, the thing you find the most in my pool, let me guess, chicken feathers. Yep, chicken feathers. So anyway, I'm gonna now start doing my laps to get warmed up. And my daughter's apparently coming in the pool, drink my bang and walk around the pool for probably about a half an hour, and then I will start to do some strength training, and I will hopefully be able to show you guys some of that. Alright, with the kids in the pool, it's becoming really difficult to make my circuits. But so now what I am doing is I'm actually going against the current. I've been building the current up the other direction for a while. And now I'm actually walking slowly against the current, so it's a lot more difficulty. I have this robot thing going around my, and every time I get to the cord, I do a hop over it kind of thing. And so it keeps attacking us, this robot. I really wish the robot wasn't in because it's interfering also with my ability to do jumping over it a circuit. But it does help me get my legs up and moving. So right now, like I said, I am walking against the current. My kids are now in the way again, and the robot again. Oh my gosh. I feel like this isn't going anywhere, literally, but it's hard to walk against the current. Like, I'm going really slow because it's really hard to walk against the current. And here we go again with the hop over thing. But yeah, anyway, so I've been walking for about 40 minutes. And now, like I said, I'm doing more resistance against the current. If I can make it happen, I'm gonna do some squats in here. I don't know if it'll really do much to do squats in this pool because it doesn't seem like that will be very good resistance without gravity. So I probably am just gonna do a lot of this walking against the current, maybe for the next 20 minutes. What's really annoying is that my Google Fit on my phone is like not picking up any of these steps. My steps have not changed since I got in. So I really should invest in some sort of Fitbit thing, but I can't yet because got to deal with the PC first. That's high on the priority list. So anyway, whatever, it doesn't matter. Just gonna keep walking for another 20 minutes. I know what I did, even if Google doesn't. And then I'm gonna go inside and start making my first meal of the day. So what I decided to do, is because squats do not work in here, is leg raises. So I am doing leg raises, pushing against the current, like the water itself. Little ballet lifts. I'll do quite a few out to the front, and then I'll do some side and back, just like I would in ballet class. Basically, I'm just gonna go in rounds, go until my muscles feel fatigued, then switch to side, then switch to back. So that's what I'm doing. baby. I am stretching out the backs of my thighs. So I did 3 circuits of about 10 lifts each leg, and then on the back I also did booty crunches. We do that in ballet class, and so I know how to isolate the correct muscles. And what's really great about it is in this pool, I can really feel where the muscle is a lot better than when I'm on land. So it's actually felt like I was able to isolate my booty muscles a little bit better than I could even in class. So I'll tell you what, guys, my booty is gonna be sore. I just worked it to death, my thighs and my booty. So woot, that worked out great. I don't think you've ever massaged my feet in my entire life.
I have.
When?
Years ago.
Years ago? And so now you just decided you're gonna massage my feet?
No, it was poking up here.
I've been walking in the pool for like an hour and a half or an hour. All right, well, it's like 2 o'clock and I'm just barely getting together my first meal. After I got out of the pool, I had to come take a shower, and then Dave like gave me a full massage, and my booty is very sore already, so I must have done a good job. Eek. But yeah, and then I had to sit down and like mess around on my chronometer trying to figure out what I'm gonna actually eat. So my original plan, of course, was to have Quest bar and just call it good. But then I realized the Quest bar doesn't quite meet the calories. So then I thought, well, I'll take the Quest bar out and I'll have a treat. So I thought, well, I'll have some heavy cream and strawberries. Well, the problem is that heavy cream has way too many calories. And so what I ended up doing, I'll show you what I ended up settling on. For my extra calories, I ended up putting the strawberries in my yogurt and then just having the Quest bar. So I will be having 2 fried eggs, 50 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of fried mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer with 80 grams, actually it's more like 77 grams of strawberries, and a Quest bar. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Came out here to check for eggs. Next thing I know, I look behind me. You see that? They follow me everywhere. I'm not even going to give them anything, but they're just going to keep following me. Sounds like the sprinklers are on out there. Oh, I'm gonna get wet. Yep. Oh, fun. Any eggs in here? Oh, there's water. That's awesome. No eggs. Okay. Ah, dang! Are you serious? Are you serious? Does Dave even know that that is happening? I just stepped in a mud puddle. Yay me! What you guys want, huh? You always think I'm gonna give you a treat? Shadow's not even over here, huh? Just you guys? Marsha? I think I'm gonna get out some of this. That's what I think. There's Shadow. She's like, oh, Mama's out? Mama's out with treats? I'm coming on over. Shadow. She's the only one that will eat out of my hand. Aren't you, babe? Yeah, I used to like Mama, just like you're a baby. You want to try? You want to try, Comet? Hey! All right. Well, she kind of did. Bumble? You want some, Bumble? Come on, Bumble. Come on. Nope. Shadow's like, I'll take that. Thank you very much. Hey, Olive. You want some, Olive? Come on back. Nope. Shadow's just going to keep on having it. So funny. It's so nice out here. Look how pretty the light is. That's from the sky. Look at that. It's so nice and warm. I can't even imagine that in just a couple of days it's going to be like 36 degrees, 50 degrees top temperature. How is that possible? Oh, it just makes me sad. I just want today to last forever and ever and just let me sit here under this beautiful red. Look at that sun. It's red again today from the fires. It makes such a weird but pretty light. Anyway, it can't last forever, sadly. Nothing good ever does. My crazy backyard. Oh my gosh. We didn't get as much done in the yard as we hoped this summer. Still haven't finished this chicken fence. You can see, oh, no, you can't see. You can see the fence still laying on the ground on this side. It's not finished. They think it is sometimes. We try, but you know, there's only so much you can get done in 1 year. Especially because we spent the whole year growing baby chicks into chickens. Any eggs in here, huh? No eggs. They're so funny, they rotate where they'll lay. So it used to be in here. In here was the big place for everybody to lay, but lately I've been finding them all in here. Yep, there's another. I don't want to go inside, but I do want to eat. It's just so nice out here. Pretty, comfortable, warm. All the things I love. Now I'm going to open up their gate so that I'll get out tonight. Maybe. I'm not locked in. There we go. So that's, I open the gate usually in the evening so they can get out and roam the rest of the yard. So obviously a lot of them know that they can just roam the yard because they know that the fence isn't fixed. But the idea with calling them in every morning and then letting them out every night is kind of like training them so that when we do have the fence, I can get them to go in and out by following me. And it's working really, really great. So I think we're about ready. I've been telling Dave for the last couple of weeks that I would like him to finish that fence now. I'm ready for that. I've trained him enough. So yeah, well, I better get back inside. Get me some yummy dinner. Alrighty guys, it's 7 o'clock and I am having my final meal of the day. I am having chicken fajita nachos. So I have 1 package of Quest nacho cheese chips, 6 ounces of chicken breast, 50 grams of bell pepper, 30 grams of onion, 60 grams of tomato, 4 tablespoons of salsa, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of green onion, and 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese. That is going to put me at 26 net carbs for the day. That's pretty high for me, but I don't mind it. And 170 something, I think it's like 173 protein, which is awesome, and 74 grams of fat, for a grand total of about 1535, I think, calories for the day, which is spot on for what I was hoping for. It's a little over, but I'm not going to stress it. And I think it's going to be great going into this coming week. So, yay, I'm excited. I'm excited for 1,400 calories every day. So excited. All right, it's like 11:30. I got to get to bed. My last dose of Solé for the day, and today was pretty nice, I have to admit. I liked exercising in the pool. I think I won't be able to walk tomorrow, wish me luck, but I will definitely see you next time. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon.